Good day, future leaders, and welcome to Golden Faith Academy Senior High School. We are the Group 2 of 12 Beyonce and will be your guides as we walk you through the places that shape student life here. Today, we'll show you how GFA Senior High School builds students academically, spiritually, and socially through a community grounded in Christian faith and strong values. The purpose of this tour is to help you get to know Golden Faith Academy Senior High School and what makes our Christian environment unique. We want to see how faith, character, and academic growth come together in every part of student life. By the end of this tour, we hope you'll get a clear sense of what it's like to be part of the Golden Faith Academy Senior High School family.
GFA or Golden Faith Academy has been long committed to provide a Christian education to gain excellence, discipline, and faith. GFA grown into a community where students are encouraged to discover their purpose, strengthen their characters, and strive for their academic achievements. GFA is known for its supportive teachers, active student organization, and program development leadership, activity, and service. Whether you dream of excelling in academics, growing your faith, developing your talents, or preparing for future, GFA is the place where you can truly thrive.
So, this is what to expect in GFA. GFA have a educational spaces like the library and the computer lab, activity and event areas, school clubs, and organization. Lastly, the GFA mission, vision, and value.
As we pass through the campus, you'll notice how Golden Faith Academy has grown into a community built on discipline, excellence, and faith. The school mission centers on raising leaders for God and country through strong Christian character, academic excellence, and balanced education. Its vision guides every corner of the school to remain a premier Christian institution that offers innovative learning and contributes to the positive transformation of the Philippines and beyond.
So now let's move on to our school facilities. First is our library. Our library is one of the quiet places in our school. It's where students go when they want to study or read. Second is computer lab. This is where all tech related happens. Computer with complete computers and updated software. The com lab is usually used with ICT students doing digital tasks like coding. Third is classrooms. Our classrooms are clean, organized, and designed to make learning easier and more comfortable. Each room has a good enough space for groupings, discussions, and presentation. Fourth is our school gym, venue for events, breaks, and fun gatherings. Lastly, canteen, students' favorite spot for snack, meals, and bonding.
We also celebrate big school activities like Tikas Lakas Intrams, field trips, the year-end party, STEM month, and the Colorful Love Strong Fair every February. All this make our campus lively, exciting, and a place where every student can explore their.
And that concludes our school tour. Golden Faith Academy is more than just a school. It is a community where students learn, grow, and build their talents. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope to see you soon at Golden Faith Academy.